Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am actually going to tell you guys how I have been treating my dry and damaged hair. So also I will be showing you guys affordable products only. So let's get into the video now. Also, if you are someone who is new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content. And if you end up liking the content, you can hit the subscribe button, along with that the notification bell as well. So let's get into the video now. As you guys know, you can see that I have actually colored my hair in the past, and coloring takes a toll on your hair. Let me tell you that bleaching is one of the reasons why I always feel like coloring damages your hair so much, because after a month you can see the results that it is very dry, damaged, dehydrated. At the same time, it has split ends, and not only that, it's very rough at the same time. We all know that, right? So as you guys know that I have been using this is the Buds and Berry rice water and chia seeds. Actually, it's like khali, it's empty, because I have been loving this so much. I have talked about this so many times, several times on my channel as well. So after trying this one, I love this one so much that I actually got this. This is the new Pistachio and Argan oil damage repair combo, which includes color protection shampoo and serum as well. So this is the Buds and Berry's new range, and this includes the shampoo, which specifically targets for dry and damaged hair. Also, this has pistachio, which contains high levels of biotin and is known for adding strength to hair. Along with that, it has argan oil, which is extremely good for damaged and frizzy hair, especially for hair types like me. This shampoo also repairs hair from chemical damage by styling and protects colored hair for stronger and conditioned hair, something that I am totally loving. So let's just quickly go through the claims of this particular shampoo. So the benefits or the claims, I would say, so this repairs damaged hair, this protects colored hair, this also strengthens hair, and also it reduces hair breakage, which is honestly something that I personally needed. And it gives 120 hours of conditioning, which means it also gives you nourishment that your hair actually needs from all the styling that we do on a regular basis, that I used to do on a regular basis before. So I'll show you guys the texture and everything so that you can see that by yourself as well. So as you can see, the texture of this shampoo is extremely creamy and thick. It doesn't cause any irritation, nor does it make the scalp feel dry after using it. It foams up and lathers up pretty nicely. You also don't need to take a lot of amount while using this shampoo. I just take a few pumps of this shampoo and massage it on my hair. Especially, I mainly concentrate most of the product on my roots. If you have oily scalp, you'll feel it really cleanses the scalp without drying out your hair. Whenever I color my hair, after a few weeks, my hair just gets really dry and damaged. Especially, I feel like at the lower ends, it just gets very damaged. But from the time I have started using this shampoo, it protects my hair from the damage caused due to coloring and other hair treatments. And also, not only that, it provides color protection as well. Honestly, this shampoo is a godsend for people who have colored and damaged hair. And as you can see, the main damage was in the lower region of my hair, and it was very dry and rough. And now you can see that there is definitely a very huge difference in the texture of how my hair looks like. So now, right now, my hair feels very smooth also. So after using the shampoo, I like to go in with a hair serum. After my hair is about 70% dry, I go in with, this is the Buds and Berries hair serum. Again, this is infused with pistachio and argan oil. Combo is honestly a really good buy for people who have done treatments like keratin, highlights, balayage, or smoothing, or any other chemical treatment. This really is affordable and gives a good conditioning effect and makes the hair much more smoother and shinier. I like to take 2 pumps of the serum and run my fingers through my hair and concentrate most of it in the ends of my hair. After application of the serum and after my hair is completely dried up, you can see how good the texture has become. This just makes my hair extra shiny and tames the frizz so nicely. The serum is very lightweight and not oily at all. Also, the scent of both the products is amazing, and my hair just feels and smells fresh throughout the day. So this serum is also something that I love to use before styling my hair with hot tools. For example, if I straighten my hair, I like to use this. This just gives a very nice extra shine, and it just gives a very professional look to the hair. It tames the frizz as well, so it just makes styling much more easier, I would say. So both this combination I have been using and I have been loving, for my hair. As you guys know, I have loved their products in the past as well, and I absolutely love this combo as well for, just to repair my hair, and it just gives a very nice moisture. At the same time, it also makes my hair look very shiny, and yeah, overall my hair has been really good. And as much as I have loved their rice water, shampoo, I absolutely have loved this combination as well. So both the buds and berries combination, you can buy it on Amazon. The shampoo retails for 375 rupees for 300 ml, and the buds and berries hair serum retails for 340 rupees for 100 ml. So this pistachio and argan oil damage repair color protection shampoo and pistachio and argan oil hair serum are one of its kind of a combo and very interesting and good buy. I will leave all the details and links in my description box, and let me know if there is any product that you would want me to try from Buds and Berries. I would love to try that out for you guys. And yeah, I would love hearing your thoughts as well. A lot of you guys did tell me that you got this shampoo on my recommendation and you did love it. So let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.